It is perfectly fried and it's crispy outside, and you can see the sesame seeds in that crust. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to make pisang goreng, or in English that is fried banana or banana fritters. It is a common snack in Southeast Asia, particularly in Indonesia and Malaysia. We also have like that in the Philippines, we call it maruya, but the most common one is the banana cube, and the process is just very simple. You just need to fry first the banana and put some sugar, then caramelize, then that caramelized sugar will just coat on the banana. However, in Indonesia and Malaysia, it's quite different. You make first the butter, then coat the banana into the butter. The main goal of pisang goreng is to have a crispy outside and a fruity and moist inside. Okay guys, so I'm excited to do this, and these are the ingredients. So the ingredients of pisang goreng are just very simple. So I have here 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then this is banana. We call this saba. This is almost ripe bananas. Then I will just add sesame seeds for another layer of flavor. Then this is 3.5 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I have melted margarine. I will add melted margarine because I observed that if I add this, it makes the butter crispy like what I did in my bakwan sayur. And also, do not forget the water. So I will start first by peeling the banana. I think I will just be using the half of this. Okay guys, I decided to cook all of this. Okay guys, so this is now my bananas, and I'm going to press this one by one. Okay, this is now the look after pressing. So set aside, and we will make our butter. Okay guys, so this is now my flour. I will need to add the sugar and the salt, all of this. Then some baking powder. Then we have here 4 tablespoons of margarine, or you can have butter. So mix well. Then add some water, but in gradual. Okay, mix. Add more. So as you can see, it's still dry, so we need to add more water. Okay, at this point I will now be using this one. Okay guys, so this should be the consistency of our butter. So at this point I will add 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Okay, we are now ready to fry. Okay guys, so this is how to fry. So you get 1 banana. Then dip this into the butter. Then fry. Okay guys, so this is now my pisang goreng. As you can see, it is perfectly fried and it's crispy outside, and you can see the sesame seeds in that crust. Wow. It's so crispy outside. I can taste the sesame seed. It's so crunchy and it's so moist and fruity inside. So this is what's inside the pisang goreng.
Sige, tawag ay saging na din eh.
Pisang goreng.
Nisan goreng,
Pisang goreng.
pisan goreng.
Pisang kay banana na siya. Goreng kay fried.
Wow, napaka-crispy ang sarap.
Ha?
Sarap.
Look what's inside. So normally guys in the Philippines we coat this with sugar.